All right, I've got my trusty shovel, and now that I've decided where I'm going to plant the bulbs, I'm going to dig a hole. But the question is, what size hole? The elephant ear, I got the little tag came right off of it. The elephant ear says it needs to be planted 1 to 3 inches under the soil. And that means that this bulb that I'm going to put in the ground oriented like this, because this is where the roots came off and this is where the plant's going to come out, needs to be 1 to 3 inches under the soil. So I'm digging a hole. This thing's got to be 6 inches long, so I'm digging a hole that's about 8 inches deep. And I'm going to dig a hole that's much larger than the bulb, because I intend to amend the soil in a pretty major way and actually add back potting soil and topsoil and manure along with a little fertilizer in order to make what I would consider a better growing environment than the soil that I have here. You can see that this soil is fairly hard, even though it's got pretty good moisture in it. And digging a hole bigger and giving that plant a good set of features it can use to grow is better than trying to expect that poor bulb to generate a beautiful plant and with nothing to grow on.